is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show, being the market one trade at a time. Alright, so this episode 225, going to be talking about GameStop, ticker sign GME. The time I'm recording this, it is at $23.14, so you'll be hearing this right before the market opens. Some big news has come through as far as GameStop is concerned. Currently at $23.14, like I said earlier, which is bullish above its moving average 10, 50, and 30. Well, 10, 20, and 30. Moving average 20 is at $21.72. Moving average 10 is at $22.24. And the moving average 30 is at $21.72. So looking at this chart, we can see they are bullish. Had a little bit of a bearish downward trend towards the end of trading, which was on Friday. But before the market opens, I think this is going to pop based on the news that has just come out. So the news just came out. Meme stock GameStop is rallying again on speculation. Keith Gill, the man who inspired the 2021 Epic Short Squeeze, could currently have a huge position in the video game retailer. So if you don't know, Keith Gill was kind of the person who spearheaded the whole meme stock generation takeover on Wall Street bets. Bled over to there. A lot of people were holding GameStop. It even went into Congress. There was a congressional meeting about it. There were a lot of people who tried to get into it on Robinhood that weren't able to trade it. And so it's kind of the tale between retail versus big Wall Street, who's able to actually trade and sell. But ultimately, the retailers won. As far as being able to get into the market and really change the course and the way that people see Wall Street traders versus retail traders. So Gill, who goes by DeepF Value on Reddit and Roaring Kitty on YouTube, and X reappeared Sunday night, posting a screenshot of what could be his portfolio holding, which is a significant amount of GameStop common shares and call options. So the Reddit trading crowd's favorite trader holds 5 million shares of GameStop, worth $115.7 million as of Friday's closing price. And this is with it being at $23.14. And then he also, the account has showed a position of 120,000 call options in GameStop with a strike price of $20 that expire on June 21st. So that would be after its earnings. I think its earnings is on June 11th. So that'll be just about a week after. So $20 strike price. This is definitely a huge game changer for GameStop, in my personal opinion. 120,000 call options is not a small amount, and having a position of $115.7 million worth of GameStop, or 5 million shares, is almost like an institutional amount of shares in one company. So definitely holding a large amount of shares. The post was not independently verified by CNBC, which posted this article, but notably the post on the infamous Wall Street Bets chat room. So if you see on here, it was posted by DeepF Value with GME. It shows the position of 5 million, so that's how many shares. Price paid $21.27, with a daily gain of I think $2 million I see on here, with the value of $115.7 million. And then also it shows the amount at the bottom, the last price. So after he had his shares when the GameStop meme craze kind of joined or really ramped up, it seems like he kind of doubled down his position, which is huge news for everyone who's been holding GME and have kind of been riding this train. So around the same time on Sunday night, he posted a cryptic picture, a reverse Uno card on X, and quickly garnered 30,000 likes. So people are following closely. Shares of GameStop jumped more than 19%, and Robinhood's 24-hour exchange Sunday, which allows for trading of certain commodities, and the stock could see a big pop in pre-market starting at 4 a.m. on Monday. Gill's return to social media 3 weeks ago sparked an eye-popping rally. If you saw it, He posted a picture of a gamer or a person sitting down and then sitting up. As far as like, hey, I'm paying attention, which was his first post in like 3 years since the GameStop mania really happened. GameStop took advantage of the May rally by raising more than $900 million in stock sales. So GameStop sitting on a significant amount of cash in the current market, and definitely going to be something to look at for when their earnings comes out later in June. So going to tip ranks, and something that I thought was very interesting as well is market sentiment overall is at a sale, a moderate sale, with the high price target, the average price target, and the low price target all around $7. Have you seen videos talking about institutions or CNBC themselves talking about GameStop? There's not really a positive sentiment around it. They say it's, people are basically gambling, but I think it's a great time for retail traders themselves to be able to get into the market and really understand how trading works and how investing works. We can see, having someone like Roaring Kitty who has bought a bunch of shares but hasn't really sold off. So it's not like he really took advantage of the community. He took that time to buy more shares of the stock itself to double down his position. So to me, that would entail someone who is truly investing into the company as a whole, opposed to day trading it. So when the meme stock craze really came out, a lot of people jumped into it, sold it, day traded. Some people who had positions, large positions, don't have them anymore. Some people held on and are waiting for it to pop again. But I feel like a large sentiment of people really bought. And then when they started losing money, sold, or put a large portion of money in it, not really understanding the fundamentals of investing. But I think it goes proof to show, holding for the long term, you definitely get a large amount of gains. And I think Roaring Kitty is proof of that. So drop a comment down below. Tell me what you think the price will get to for GameStop. With this position being shown, do you think it will have a positive or negative impact on the stock overall? And is this just a ploy to help rally the stock getting closer to earnings in June? Drop a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Make sure that thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm push out these videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.